Bro, yeah, I broke my highlighter brush. This is about to become a duo brush in a minute, all right? DIY.
Why would you interrupt me? I don't even know what I was talking about now.
I can't explain it. Hope you hear what I'm saying. I'm loving your vibe. Won't let you play the same.
Yeah, I'm about to be doing I think this is gonna be my last summer look. No, actually, I don't know how this look is gonna come out, y'all. I don't know what exactly I'm gonna be doing, but I am gonna be using this palette that I just randomly chose. I think it'd probably be a fall look, looking at these colors, but I don't know. And I'm still trying to take off these nails, y'all. Ugh, I'm trying to take them off. I just haven't done my makeup in a long time, so basically that's what this is. Like, I really want to do my makeup, and I'm gonna do my makeup. What's new with y'all? I feel like YouTube haven't been putting out like my notifications, like my videos and stuff. Like, I don't know, it's weird. So make sure you guys have on that bell. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and turn on that bell. But first, I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows, I'm gonna use my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ebony. Yeah, I'll be still trying to figure out like how I'm supposed to do my eyebrows, because it gets hard. Like, I just be trying to follow the shape of my eyebrows, but the shape of my eyebrows not always right, if you know what I mean. Like, it just sometimes, I don't know, sometimes my eyebrows just do the most sometimes. Yeah, I'm gonna clean it up so it's gonna look a lot better. I'm gonna try to do like a lot of hair videos, y'all. Like hair tutorials. Like, I have one coming on this look. This is, you know, not the finished look, but I'm gonna have one coming on this look. Like, I'm actually gonna film it right after I finish my makeup. In this video, I'm gonna film that, and then well, I already filmed it, but I'm gonna film like, you know, like the finish of it. But I wanted to do my makeup first. I'm gonna do a video on my natural hair. I don't know what, maybe like a natural hair update. I don't know, something like that. Because I know y'all wanna see how my natural hair look. So I'll do like a natural hair update video. But I don't really do much with my natural hair now. Like, I just keep it braided under wigs, really. And I did cut it. I don't want to say recently, because it was like weeks ago. So I did cut it one of the times that I was wearing it out, just because I like to keep it short. But I'm gonna just let it grow. I don't know, I just like to keep it short. I just like how it looks. I don't have a hair routine though, y'all. So I'm not even gonna lie to y'all and have y'all thinking that I have a hair routine, because I really don't have one. Just do like a natural hair update. That's what I'm gonna call it. I'm not gonna call it a wash routine or anything like that. I'm just gonna be talking about and wearing my natural hair, just to answer some of the questions that y'all have, I guess. I don't know. Would that be something you're interested in? Next, I'm gonna, oh, that was my Angelville primer, my NYX Angelville primer. Now I'm about to use my Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer in the color Amber. Which I feel like I need this other color that I've seen. It really did look good on me. So I'm just gonna clean up my eyebrows. I'm gonna use that as a foundation too, but I like to clean up the top of my eyebrows with like my actual foundation. Then like the concealer, the lighter concealer. And I will use a concealer, but I don't have a concealer that's my color right now. Oh. No. I should have known that was gonna happen. It's because our hair was tied down. Y'all, this look like a lot of foundation, but it is. No, I'm just kidding. It's not that much foundation. It just looks like a lot. Now I'm gonna take my Morphe brush and blend this out. You'll see how my neck is like lighter than my face. You see that? Like, some days my face look the color of my neck. This foundation look like it's lighter. Not lighter, darker than my neck. Look at my hair, y'all. This is bomb diggity, like bomb diggity. This right here, you already know. On Snapchat, got me on Snapchat, you already know how I feel about this. Okay. So now I'm gonna do concealer. I'm gonna do concealer under the eyes, down my nose, forehead, chin, above my lip. And I'm gonna be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Pure Beige. Yeah, my sister had a water on. And my door is slightly open. So you probably could hear it. If you're hearing something, that's probably what it is. Oh, shh. Now I'll do my chin. I don't know. I don't want to put this on my chin. Last time I didn't because, y'all, the last time my chin kind of looked like, I don't know, it looked weird when I put concealer on my chin. It makes it look like it's ashy. Let me just try it. And we shall see. We shall see if it's this concealer or not. This is LA Girl Pro Concealer in Pure Beige, if I didn't already say that. I'm just patiently waiting for my nails to fall off, all of them to come off. Like I have 4 more left. This one is actually about ready to go off. So, I'm never getting these kind of nails again. Like, stiletto, I can't get the claws. I can't do it. I miss my coffin shape and my square shape. I'm getting square next time. But I get like square, but like when they're like slim. You know what I mean? Like they're like the straight square, not like the wide ones. I don't like the wide nails. Now I have to blend out my nose on my hand with my finger. And then I like to go ahead and set my face with the Airspun translucent powder with my brush that I brought over here. And I think I got my brush, so I'm gonna do my brush. Okay, I got my brush. So I'm gonna use my e.l.f. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. blush brush to set under my eyes. Make sure it's blended. Oh, I'm not a lefty, but I'm doing it. Bang. I like to set my brows too. I like to set my brows just like the leftovers. And then I'm gonna set the rest of my face with my L'Oreal True Match powder, which I barely even have some of. I love this powder. I just like how it give me that. I like the finish it give me. But I need to go to Ulta and get some more of this, probably in a different color though. So yeah, I went outside and talking and everything. So it's been a cool minute since this bacon has been on my I don't.
Why would you interrupt me? I don't even know what I was talking about now.
Okay, I'm just wipe this from under my eye. Hopefully I remember what I was talking about. I don't even know what I was talking about. It's not funny. Yeah, okay, so wiping off that bake. I gotta make sure all this off, y'all. It's not all the way off. I don't usually keep it on for this long, but I did because I was outside running my mouth. And I forgot I even had this on my face. I don't want any flashback because y'all done scared me with this whole flashback stuff. Like, y'all didn't tell me this, give y'all flashback and everything. So y'all scared me. So now I gotta always double check and make sure that it's situated. But yeah, I can't wait to get my nails done. To be honest, ooh, it's Friday. I could probably get my nails done today. Now I'm gonna do eyeshadow and see. No, I'm gonna do contour first. No, I'm gonna do eyeshadow first. So I'm gonna use this palette, this Bad Habit Aura palette. I think that's how it's pronounced, but it's from Hush. I'm gonna put on some concealer. I'm gonna put on some concealer in the color Pure Beige. I'm gonna just put this on my lid. I'm gonna just do something. I don't know, y'all. I just want to do something glam, so that's what we're gonna do. I don't exactly know. This is probably gonna be a fall look, y'all. So first, I'm gonna start with the color Mystic orange color. I'm gonna put that in my crease. Put this in my crease. And this, oh, do y'all see it? I really hope y'all can see it. I love orange. Like, I love orange. Everything orange. I love orange. Orange pillow, orange makeup, orange hair. Even though I never had orange hair, but I do have an orange wig now. Well, I've been had an orange wig like for a couple weeks now. Just haven't put it on yet. I'll take the color Haze. It's pretty. I don't think it's gonna go with this, but yeah, gots to try. We shall see. I'm just taking that color and just putting it in the outer corner and the inner corner and in the crease. I actually like this. So, and I took a different brush too. Now I'm gonna take the first brush I used and a little bit of the first color just to blend it out, just to blend it into each other. I'm gonna take the color Soul. Hopefully it looks good, you know? Hopefully. Oh, I like this. I like this. After that, like, so take that purple color and just add some more. The Haze color and add some more. Because you know the gold did not come to play. But we need that purple too. So add some purple up in that joint. So what I really can't wait for is freaking lashes. I'm going to be using the Everlash. Like, these are like the only lashes that I'll use. They're from our local dollar store. And I think the first one I'm going to put on is, I'm going to put on EL38 first. And then I'm going to put on ELWSP second. So I'm going to put these on first. Boom. And I'm going to put these on second. And these are the lashes together that I'm gonna be using. I stacked my lashes, that's why I'm showing two of them, which I probably figured. I'm gonna use my Black Radiance contour palette in the color medium to dark. I'm gonna take off my scarf. I'm gonna do my forehead because you feel me? You can see my lace. Ugh. I'll use a highlighter out of this palette. I need to go makeup shopping, y'all. So, put some mascara on this Morphe fan brush. Not mascara, highlighter. Out of the Black Radiance palette. Bro, yeah, I broke my highlighter brush. This is about to become a duo brush in a minute, alright? DIY. No, I'm definitely gonna buy another brush though. I don't know if I'm gonna put it on my inner tear duct. I feel like since I put it on my brow bone, I might as well put it on my inner tear duct. And I'm gonna take the other side of this brush. The Mystic and the Haze color and just put it under. Now for lip option, I had this color from Estee Lauder that I wanted to use. This look like it matches purple. We shall see. I'm not gonna do any lip liner. It does match the eyeshadow look, but I just don't like it. Let's try with some translucent powder, maybe tone it down some. Come on, Lace.